Hey, good morning. Saturday. I'm out here in fabulous Audie Murphy Ranch this morning, even in this little bit of a drizzle rain. Doing an open house over here at a new construction home, 3,200 foot single story, just reduced to 488. Never been lived in. I'll give you a quick tour. Going in the front door. Great floors. Nice wide open space here. Come on in, we'll take a quick look. Dining area. Big, fabulous, great room. Nice views. Nice kitchen. Quartz countertops, white cabinets, stainless appliances. Got the awesome California room out here. Keep you dry even in this rain. All right, here we are coming into the master bedroom. Again, fabulous views from the windows. Nice spacious bath, nice high counters, separate tub and sink, but I wanted you to check out this closet. Look at this. This is crazy. This is like another whole room. So come on out, check this one out. This one's gonna go pretty quick. Like I said, 488 just reduced, new construction. Have a good one. See you in a bit.